In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Microsoft Forms. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, customizing your Forms look can add a personal touch that makes a huge difference. Let's dive in and make your forms stand out with a fresh new background. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Forms and hit Enter. You're looking for the official Microsoft Forms site, so go ahead and click on that link. It should be one of the top results. Now, once you have the website open, you'll need to sign in. Use your Microsoft account credentials to do this. If you're already logged in, great. You can just skip right along to the next part. Now that you're signed in, it's time to open the form you want to work on. Look through your list of forms and select the one you want to customize. Once your form is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that resembles a paint palette. This is the Style icon, your gateway to creative customization. Give that a click. You'll notice a variety of options appear under the Suggested section. Here, Microsoft provides a selection of readily available photos, videos, and colors for you to use as your background. Feel free to browse through and select one that catches your eye. These options are great if you're looking for something quick and easy. However, if you want to add a personal touch, you'll want to select the Customize Theme option. This is where the fun truly begins. You'll have a few different choices for selecting an image. You can perform an image search directly within the application to find images online that are perfect for your theme. If you have specific images stored in your OneDrive, you can also choose from there. Accessing OneDrive is seamless and allows you to incorporate personal photos or branded content you've saved in your cloud storage. Should you have something specific in mind that might be stored locally on your computer, you can opt to upload an image directly. This can be especially handy if you have just the right picture saved on your device. Once you've decided, select your desired image and then simply click the Add button. This action will apply your selected image as the new background for your form. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. Your Microsoft form now has a fresh background that uniquely represents your style or the message you're sending. Whether you went for a striking photo or a simple color scheme, your form is ready to make an impression. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to videos.